Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at two outdoor lights that are actually solar powered. And what these are perfect for is if you have a porch or a deck and you don't want to go through all the expensive processes it takes to run electric to a certain location, you can actually hang these dusk to dawn lights. They're completely battery powered, easy to hang with just 2 screws, no electric needed, and it's connected to a solar panel right here. So you can run this wire up the side of your house to a roof location, or maybe you have a barn or something on your property or a cabin, and you can then have this solar power all day, and at night this light will automatically turn on with the dusk to dawn sensor that's right here. So it's very easy DIY. As you can see, you just have 2 slots here that you can screw this panel, and then you can tighten these wing nuts to have it point at the sun when you get the most sun throughout the day. And that's going to charge that battery up. The light fixture itself is that classic carriage light fixture. Looks really nice, like a lantern hanging on the wall. Comes with the LED bulb included, the dusk to dawn sensor right here, as you can see, and is completely battery powered. So just 2 mounting screws, as I mentioned earlier. You can buy these in a 1-pack or 2-pack. I have the 2-pack here because one's going to go on each side of my garage. And again, no electric needed. Just plug them in and you're ready to go.